You have reached us after our normal business hours. However, we have other consumer service options you may wish to try, including automated message information that's available on this line, Nintendo's websites at support.nintendo.com, and consumer service by email. To hear about other service options, please choose from the following. To try the automated information on this line, press 1. For information on the services provided on our website, support.nintendo.com, press 2. If you would like information on sending email to Nintendo, press 3. If you have tried these services and still need to speak with a representative, your call is important to us, and we ask that you call back during normal business hours or hours of operation. For any questions regarding an existing repair, advance replacement, or part order, press 1. For help with any Wii-related issue, including assistance with Netflix, press 2. For help with any Nintendo DS system, including the Nintendo DSi or the new Nintendo DSi XL, press 3. For help with any other Nintendo system, press 4. For help with Nintendo GameCube games and systems, press 1. For Game Boy games and systems, including the Game Boy Micro, press 2. For Nintendo 64, Super Nintendo, or the original Nintendo Entertainment System, press 3. For repair options for the Nintendo 64, Super Nintendo, or Nintendo Entertainment System, press 1.
Buy a new.
Given the age of the Nintendo Entertainment System, Super Nintendo, and Nintendo 64, and the limited availability of parts, we no longer provide factory service. The following options you may want to consider instead. You may be able to purchase a used or refurbished replacement system. For information on
Or buy a
finding
new
used
one.
games and systems, press 1. If you have a high-speed internet, the following retailers are a good source for used Nintendo games and systems. Electronics Boutique, GameStop, Blockbuster, and Hollywood Video can all be good sources for used Nintendo games and systems. Other options you might consider include small local video game stores that specialize in used product, garage sales, flea markets, pawn shops, online auctions, and classified ads in your local newspaper. To receive this information, press pound. To return to the previous menu, press star.
Garage sales and flea market.
Press 9.
I guess we're SOL, huh?
We lose.